My favorite Fatsia japonica is right there. That's a variegated Fatsia japonica tree in our garden here on Salt Spring Island. End of November. Hummingbirds absolutely love the flowers. Common name is Japanese Aralia, and it does grow in shade. It will take quite a bit of a drought-tolerant plant for dry shade. Put them in the sun, they kind of bleach out a little bit, and they grow big here. They'll grow about 20 feet tall. I've seen some 20-footers here on our island. We have some pretty tall ones too. So try one in your own garden. There's some jasmine growing there in front of it, jasmine vines. Lots of good stuff in here. So it's a good companion plant for palm trees and other exotic plants. So that's Fatsia japonica. In colder climates, people like to use them as a house plant. But like I say, the hummingbirds absolutely love those flowers. Look at them. Just absolutely beautiful. And they do produce seed here as well. And you can grow them from seed. So look for them in your local garden center, all right? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos on this channel. Cheers.